Hey everybody, I'm Ben from InterNACHI. We are excited to announce the expansion of our nationally accredited curriculum in the next several months by the development of a series of new free online educational videos based upon copyright protected content published by the International Code Council and other authorities of residential building codes and best practices. These include copyright protected materials from the Examination Board of Professional Home Inspectors, EBPHI. I think they have a set of books that help people pass their exam. And copyright protected materials from other national home inspector organizations. There's this thing called the TEACH Act, and it defines the terms and conditions by which accredited post-secondary educational institutions like the InterNACHI School may use copyright-protected materials in distance education without permission from the copyright owner and without payment of royalties. It's pretty amazing. InterNACHI School is a nationally accredited post-secondary institution, the only nonprofit tuition-free home inspector college accredited by the U.S. Department of Education. And it enjoys all the benefits of the TEACH Act in the development of new free online educational courses for our members. And InterNACHI intends to use the International Code Council's most recent set of IRC code books in the development of those courses. And as a professional courtesy, I reached out to ICC to see whether they had any objections to us using their books, and they confirmed that we didn't even need their permission. InterNACHI's new free online courses will include ICC examination preparation courses to help InterNACHI members pass state and municipality required ICC exams to become building inspectors, building contractors, electricians, plumbers, and numerous other types of contractors. The International Association of Certified Home Inspectors, InterNACHI, is a federally tax-exempt 501c6 nonprofit trade organization, membership trade organization, headquartered in Boulder, Colorado. InterNACHI School, internachi.edu, is accredited as a nonprofit post-secondary education institution by the National Accrediting Agency recognized by the U.S. Department of Education to provide tuition-free online training, examination, certification, and continuing education to InterNACHI members. InterNACHI School is also a member college of the National Association of Career Colleges of Canada. That's a national association representing more than 500 career colleges across Canada. To read the complete list of InterNACHI's accreditations, visit nachi.org and click an Education tab. Now be sure to subscribe to the InterNACHI School newsletter for updates on these new developing free online courses based upon copyright protected materials by opening your email, clicking and opening the newsletter, and confirming your email subscription. That's the best way to do it. All right, I'm Ben from InterNACHI. I'll talk to you later. Bye.